Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Dora the Fluid Crafter and we are zoomed in really close. I have some exciting news to share with you. I was contacted by BeeBeeCrafts and they had asked me to do a collaboration review with them, and I said yes. And so I am super excited, and I have my camera down because I want to show you exactly what they sent to me. I'm so excited. Okay, so I tried to do this once already, and well, my phone fell off the tripod and it didn't work. So, okay, so the first thing I got is these spacers, bead spacers, and they come in the silver, the gold, the rose gold, and then the vintage colors. I hope you guys can see that, not too much glare. I don't want to take them out because I'm going to end up losing them. They're just that small, but there's 300 of them in here. I'm going to link those down below, and their website, and I'll also put the pricing on these so that way you guys can know how much they are before you go and click on the link. But I tell you guys, these are really, really nice. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to use these. Okay, so there's one. And then the next thing that I got are these glass beads. Look at this container that they come in. There are 15 colors, and I'll turn it around so you can see them all. These are very good quality. They are good weight, and these here look like splattered paint. It looks like somebody just splattered paint. These would be great for mixed media, for canvas work. I'm actually probably going to use them for a little mixed media, but I'm also going to use these for the tassels and things for my journals and the tassel jewelry. So book jewelry, you know, like the little strings in between your signatures, and put a couple of those on there. I think those would be beautiful. And I'm going to open it up really quick so you can kind of get a better idea here. And I'm trying to stay in frame. Like I said, I've got the camera down low here, and I'm just going to take two of them out and see if I can bring them up close to you and zoom. I'm not sure how that's going to work, but if you just, I mean, it just looks like there's splatter paint. Please excuse my fingers. I've been inking. I smashed my thumb in the door. So, but yes, these are gorgeous. Just, you see that splatter? That is just beautiful. So yes, I am so super excited about these. I'm going to be doing a couple of tutorials on how to use these things also. These here are jump rings. I started opening it when my phone fell off the tripod. So I'm going to open them now. And we're going to test these out. Alright, and so there's different sizes. So we've got silver. We've got the, oops, I'm out of frame, I'm sorry. And we've got, let me turn it like this, you can probably see it better. So we've got the vintage antique. We have got the chrome metal color. We've got gold. Then we have the, that was the bronze vintage, and then this here is like the old style vintage. And then we have the, what's that called? Oh, now I can't remember. I can't remember. It's like the platinum, or what's it called? Not pewter, but it's the color of pewter. And then, of course, the actual silver. I call it white jump rings, but it's a silver. So there you have those. So now I'm going to show you how I'm going to test these. Okay, let me grab my tools. Okay, so these are the tools that I use. These are the flat nose pliers and then the round tipped pliers. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one and I'm going to move it around. We're going to see the quality of these, and since I enjoy the vintage ones, and I'll probably use more of those than any of the other ones, we are going to test it. First I test it with my fingers, and and I can move it with my fingers, but it is very stiff, okay, which is a good sign. That means it's good. That's pretty good quality. If it moves very easy and it feels soft, it's not as great quality. And you probably can't see this. Let me put this down here really quick to see if this will work better. So you can actually, there we go. Now you can see the ring. And so what I do to test is I pull it and I see how long it takes it to break. Well, I just did that 12 times and it still feels very stiff. Now I've stretched it out, which is fine. I can use it for something else, but that, guys, that's good quality. It did not break. It did not break even after 20 turns. Now if it's not good quality, it would snap right off. So that just kind of gives you a hint here, okay? And here I'm going to do it really, and it still didn't break. It's still there. Look at that. It's not even hot. So that's actually really nice. I do like that a lot. Okay, so that is a good thumbs up for me on the jump rings that they have. And then I got, now these are the Panda Hall Elite. These here are, it doesn't say on the packaging, but that's okay. But these here are the Panda Hall Elite. These are the Lobster Claws. I was totally out of them. Well, I have a couple, but they're not, they're really big. They're not this size. So the same colors as the other ones. Now this one has tape on it, so I'm just, let me see if I can get it off this way. There we go. Yep. Okay. And I know my hands are really close. I'm sorry. So we are going to test one of these also. And so this here is the Lobster Claw. And how I test these is one, I pull the clip back. Nice bounce. Very sturdy. And then I do the same thing. Now that is really stiff, guys. That ring right there is really stiff on there on the bottom piece. I'm not sure if you can see it or not, but that little ring right there, that is good sturdy. That is very good quality. I'm very happy. And so I will be doing projects with these as well, so be sure that you stay tuned for that. And then, guys, I thought that there was only going to be like 4 or 5 of these. But they sent me a whole bunch. I'm going to have to count how many they sent me. So I got these bottles. They are the fine tip bottles. Like the ones you get with the glitter glue. And I needed some fine tips, so I'm going to be testing these out as well. Like I said, please don't mind my fingers. I've been inking and everything and staining, and so quality. It unscrews very nicely. It screws back in nicely. This here is actually rubber, so it's actually going to last a long time. And then the quality of the tip I can feel is very strong. And you can see my pressure here. My fingers are changing colors. So I'm not being gentle at all. And it's right in there. It's not moving. So that is good. I'm very happy with that. We will also test these out. Now, with the bottles, guys, look how many they sent me. There's, it's one set, but there's 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. There's 18 of them. They sent me 18 of these bottles. I am so super excited. So I can use these for glue. I can use them for stickles, my homemade stickles. I can use these for paints. I can use these for Mod Podge, because you know Mod Podge is a thinner glue. And I can use these for, oh my gosh, so many different things. I'm so excited to get to using these guys. So yes, this is from BeeBeeCrafts. I will be linking these down below. I will also be giving you guys the prices along with the links, and this way you guys can go and check them out. Guys, I'm so super excited to get started on this, and I hope you guys have a very lovely day. Don't forget to check them out on their website, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Have a blessed day, stay creative, and think outside your box. Bye bye now.